Good morning, students. Good to see you all. So, students, what we have learned yesterday? We were learning about sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay. So, this is definition, and I hope so you have understood what I taught you. What I gave you homework? Let's recheck. Okay. Second, barks at strangers. Who barks? Dogs. The dogs barks at strangers. Let's see third. The snakes crawl on the ground. Fifth. The eagle can fly high in the sky. The teacher helped the children learn well. See last one. My mother made some delicious soup for us. Now see your H exercise. What is telling? Complete the dialogue, choose verses from the box and use correct punctuation marks. One has been done for you. What is done? Let's see. Saira told to Vihan, how is the new boards game you got on your birthday? Now Vihan saying, it's really nice. It is the best game. Saira, how many players can play the game? Let's see. Vihan telling, well, between 2 and 6 players. Sarah, have you tried playing it yet? Vihan, oh yes, just yesterday it was great fun. Using full stop, okay? Sarah, oh nice, using punctuation mark, okay, exclamatory mark. Let's play it this evening then. Vihan. Sure, it's 6 in the evening, 5. When they made plan to play? At 6 o'clock, okay? It's 6 in the evening, fine. Can you see here? Write I exercise in your copy. Complete the sentences with suitable predicates. Write down in your copy and you have to make a predicate. Send on my WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Okay, now you can recheck, okay? Complete the sentence with suitable predicates. The teacher teaches in the class. Full stop. Don't forget to use full stop, question mark and exclamatory mark, okay? Let's see second. The students are playing on the ground. Third, the old man is writing on the board. Fourth, I have an ice cream. Let's see. Fifth one, horses are running very fast. Using full stop. See your 6. The trees have many leaves. Write your J exercise in your copy. Complete the sentence using why, how, where, when, what. One has been done for you. Let's see. First one. Is your name? What is your name? Asking question you have to use here, okay? Make a screenshot, write down in your copy and send to on my WhatsApp number. Okay, now you can recheck, okay? Old are you? How we can make a question? How old are you? Let's do third one. Are you feeling today? How we can make question? How are you feeling today? Let's see forward. Do you live? Making question, where do you live? Let's see fifth one. Will you go this evening? What we can make question? Where will you go this evening? Let's see six. Are you sad? Why are you sad? Let's see seven. Did you have for breakfast? What we can make question? What did you have for breakfast? Let's see last one. Did you go to bed last night? Or we can make question. When did you go to bed last night? I hope so you have learned how to make question. It is clear to you all students. If you have any doubt here, you can ask. Okay? Okay, now look here students. How we can write a paragraph. Okay? Let's see some of the instructions given here. First we will read that one. Okay? Here are some steps for writing a paragraph. What are the steps? Let's see. Start with a sentence with introduce the topic. What this first step says? Start with a sentence that introduce the topic. What is the topic? You can choose anyone. Let's see second step. Write sentence that support the topic sentence. You can use facts, reason, or examples to support your topic sentence. First says choose topic. Okay, introduce the topic. Which topic we have selected? I hope so you have learned before also about your school, about your mother, about cow. This all you have to write in one paragraph. In second step says support the topic. How you can support? With facts, reason or examples. You can use reason, examples to support this topic. Okay. Let's see your third steps. End with a concluding sentence. The concluding sentence provides a summary of the paragraph and support your topic sentence. When we write in concluding sentence, what we write? We write a summary and we support our topic sentence. Okay, let's read. It is written here one paragraph. We visited an amusement park last Sunday. I have gone with my parents and cousin. We enjoyed the roller coasters, the train rides and the horror rooms. I had fun in the horror room, but my cousin was really scared. He even screamed once. After that, all the rides and games, we were very hungry. So we went to the restaurant and ate sandwiches and drank milkshakes. On the way back home, we sang songs in the car. Thus it was a good day and we all had fun. Now you can see students, what is the topic here? About amusement park. Okay, write down this all in your copy. How we can write? How to write a paragraph. First, we need a topic sentence. You can use here, I have given here mother. Supporting some idea. How you can make a supporting idea? What mother do when she wake up? And we can add some more details. When we, these all topic when we choose and when we write about, After writing these all, we choose one main points, and then we have to conclude with last sentence. What we can, how we can conclude? By main points we can write in the concluding sentence. Then this paragraph will end. I gave you topic mother. What we can write about mother? We can write so many things. Okay, and we can add some more supporting thing also. Okay, so let's do. Okay, let's see here, students, some more important things given. You can use the words given in the table while writing a paragraph. What we can use? Let's see. You can use the words given in the table while writing a paragraph. Let's see. Time. While, immediately, never, after, late, earlier, soon. These all words we can use when time shows. Okay. Addition. When we something add, we can use also, again, and, or, nor, first, next, finally, beside. When we can use this all words? When addition will come. Something when we add. Okay. Let's see effective. What we can use? Therefore, thus, hence. Okay. Let's see another one. Place. Here, there, nearby, opposite, to, above, below. When we mention place, then we can use these all words. Okay. Let's see last one. Contrast. When we something we compare with anyone, how we can use these all words? Yet, but, however, otherwise, though. Okay. So these all words we can use when contrast will come. Okay. Now write down your exercise, how to write a paragraph. Okay. Here are some hints are given. You have to make a paragraph. Write down in your copy from here to here. Write down and write in one paragraph and send on my WhatsApp number. Okay, now see here, students. First word was India. What is India? India is a beautiful country. What says? India is a beautiful country. And second, also called Bharat. Then how we can make a sentence? It is also called Bharat. Rivers and lakes, let's see. Here many rivers and lakes we can see. A mountain range extending 1500 miles on the border between India and Tibet. The Indian Ocean is on the south of Asia. New Delhi is the capital of India. It is developing country continuously in science, technology and various other fields. In India, many people are farmers and most of the day they spend their times in field. In India, many people celebrate their festivals according to their tradition. Let's see another one. When India got independence on 15 August 1947, from British, then India starts celebrate national festivals. When we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers Day and Gandhi Jayanti, we use flag, which is known by three colors. Okay? India is the best country, showing the concept unity of diversity and equality. For many years, India is a country where it is a very fabulous to see unity in diversity, since people of any religion, race, culture and traditions live together without touching each others. Let's see ahead. In India, many monuments places are open for every citizen. They can visit any place. The Taj Mahal is a symbol of love, and Red Fort a symbol of Indian soldiers will come right down here. Indian soldiers who died in World War I, etc. etc. Okay, and I am happy to be part of India and proud of my motherland, India. So this all talks about India. We can write so many things. Okay, so write down your another homework in your copy and you have to do it. Okay, write your homework. B and C will come. Okay, your B. What is your favorite day of this week and why? Write a paragraph. Okay, write down. You can use like this. Sunday is my favorite day because, okay, or Monday is my favorite day. You can choose any day. Okay, you have to start with this. Write your C. Write a paragraph on any one of the topics in 150 words. What you can write? Learning to be ride a bicycle. How you learn bicycle. Okay. Second, what mother does every morning? You have to write one. You can write about learning to ride a bicycle or what your mother does every morning. You have to write only one. Okay. It is clear to you all students? Okay, I will give you some here, also some information. You can see. This is talking about topic. What is the topic? Amusement park. Okay. And what are the supporting? Here is the supporting about trains, horror rooms, cousin, okay, games, and how in the here thus it was a good day with all had fun. So this was concluding sentence. Okay, it is clear to you all and I hope so you have learned. Students, you can use these all words when you write paragraphs. Okay, and send on my WhatsApp number. Okay, students, if you have any doubt you can ask question. Okay, on my WhatsApp number and I will help you. Okay, I will tell you again how I wrote about India. Okay, let's see. India is a beautiful country. It is also called Bharat. Here, many rivers and lakes we can see. A mountain range extending 1500 miles on the border between India and Tibet. Okay. The Indian Ocean is on the south of Asia. New Delhi is the capital of India. It is developing country continuously. in science, technology, and various other fields. In India, many people are farmers and most of the day they spend their times in field. In India, many people celebrate their festivals according to their traditions. When India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British, then Indians start celebrate national festivals. When we celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers Day and Gandhi Jayanti, we use flag which is known by three colors. Okay? India is the best country showing the concept unity of diversity and equality for many years. India is a country where it is very fabulous to see unity in diversity since people of any religion, race, culture and traditions lives together without touching each others. Let's see ahead. In India, many monuments places are open for every citizen. They can visit any place. The Taj Mahal is a symbol of love and Red Fort a symbol of Indian soldiers who died in World War I. ETC means we can write some more symbols, okay, of India. And I am happy to be part of India and I am happy to be part of India and proud of my motherland, India. Okay. So students, I will stop here your class. Write your homework and send on my WhatsApp number. Okay. I will check it and I will send it back to you. Okay. Now you go wash your hand, drink water and be ready for your next class. Okay students. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay.